What is up, you guys, and welcome to my channel. My name is Jessi, and it's been a while since I did a normal unboxing makeup video, but we're going to be doing the Tarte Custom Kit. It's not a subscription or anything like that. What the Tarte Custom Kit is, it happens I think twice a year, and the last couple of years they've actually been extending it. It was supposed to only be for like a day, but they are now doing it for like 3 days. Anyway, what it is a box that you get to choose 7 full-size items. Now, it's not like you can go onto their website and go, I want this, I want this, I want this, I want this. They create like a full face type of box. They create like a full face of makeup for you in like a cute little box. And you do get to choose like your foundation, like what type of foundation you want. They will have, there's this fly buzzing around here, and if you could tell, this is my cabin. This is not a normal video setting. Anyway, so like I said, you get 7 full-size products in here. You do get to basically create your own kit. How many times am I gonna say that in this video? Why am I awkward? So today I'm gonna go over with what I chose, and we're gonna put it on our face. If you guys could please give this video a thumbs up, it does help me out tremendously, and go ahead and subscribe for more awkwardness content, and there shall be a vlog coming. Cabin in the woods alone. Hey guys, sorry to just kind of like pop up in here, but I needed to let you guys know that this video is actually brought to you by Dossier. Dossier is a basically kind of like a clone fragrance company. They're taking your high-end fragrances that are like $300, recreating them for a very affordable price, anywhere from $29 at most $59. They no longer have samples, which is kind of a good thing because they did that to get rid of the plastic waste. So instead of the little samples, they now are offering a 30-day money-back guarantee type of thing, or you could choose a different scent. So say you chose a scent and it's not your vibe, like you're just not liking it. You can go ahead and return that, and it's no cost to you, and you will get a full refund. Or like I said, you can go ahead and just choose a different scent. So not only is Dossier a pretty cool company because they are providing amazing smelling perfumes for a really low cost to you, they are vegan and cruelty free. And you know how I said that you could return your perfume if it's just not feeling you or whatever? Those returnable perfumes, they actually will donate them to a charitable association. So there's really no waste going on here. I want to share with you guys really quick the 2 scents that I chose. I chose the Floriental Vanilla. In this are mandarin, pear, pink pepper, licorice, and the middle notes are jasmine, orange blossom, and then the base notes are cedarwood, patchouli, vanilla, and coffee. This is probably one of my favorite perfumes because it smells exactly like its high-end sister. So out of the 2 that I did choose, I chose one of the ones that I already know what it smells like to do like a comparison. The other one I had no idea. I just kind of went off the notes and everything, and I am super in love with the one I chose. I am so glad. The next one I did choose was Fruity Oak Mist. The top notes in this are green apple, bergamot, lemon. The middle notes are peach, rose, ylang-ylang, and then the base notes are musk, oak mist, patchouli, and sandalwood. Dossier's mission is to deliver you guys the high-end fragrances at a much lower price. So if you guys want to try them out yourself, you can save 10% by using my code Jessi10. Now, this is only good for about a month, so go quickly. Thank you so much to Dossier for helping support my channel, and now back to the video. Love you guys. It just comes in just a box. Now, you do get to also choose a makeup bag. I chose this marbly one because it looked pretty. Okay, it's not as big as some of their previous ones, but that could be because that's just the one that I chose. They do have different sizes you could choose. So the bag is pretty nice. It's plasticky, which is going to tell me that it's eventually going to crack, you know, on like the little ends, but it's cute. I like it. It's blurry. Can you tell that it's like a marbly, or is my white balance too? Oh, there you go. So, it's just your cute little like makeup bag, and it's a decent size. You could definitely fit a lot of products in. They do have also, one of their choices is like either something for like a face cleanse or, you know, something for your face prior to makeup. I just chose the Knockout. It's a daily exfoliating cleanser. It's AHA and BHA. I'm not gonna try this on today, mainly because I don't have a sink to wash face. We're cabinet. We're roughing it out here, okay? I love the Sugar Rush Skin Treat. It's called a blurring skin tint, but man, it covers. It is a good foundation. I don't want to call it a foundation because they call it like a skin tint, so I do recommend this. Hopefully this is the right shade. I tried to go off of the one that I already had because that one was a little bit off, so I went like a little darker. So the only bad thing about this one is their shades suck. Here's the Maracuja Juicy Lip, and I chose the shade Hibiscus. You can choose, they have so many different other like lip options, and I just, to be honest, I never tried one of these, so I wanted it. That was thunder, if you heard. Oh, that's cool. So it clicks on the bottom. That is actually really cool that it doesn't turn or anything, it clicks. So we'll save you. Choose, and I know how this performs because I really enjoy it. This is the Creaseless Concealer from Tarte. So I chose the shade 10N Fair. Hopefully this matches because the one sample size Thunder, it was way too dark, so we went a little bit lighter on that. And then, to be honest, I really wish I would have just brought my Lash Smoothie mascara with me because I don't want to open this one because I already have one open. So I will not be using this today, but I believe I do have another video on this. If not, either way, this is my favorite mascara and I will absolutely 100% continue to buy this. And then lastly, I did choose an eyeshadow palette. They had other like single shadows. You could have just chose like one single shadow. Another version of this eyeshadow palette, like different shades in there. I think they were lighter, but I chose this one because I like the dark. This is the Glamazon. I might have to turn. It's got a shade of purple in it, and then kind of like a bronzy glitter. This might be maybe like a purpley glitter. I can't really tell. It's kind of dark in here, and I've already smudged my mirror. Alright, let's zoom you guys in. It's a little way too close and personal. Man, not comfortable sitting on the floor. I did really want to do this actually outside, but as you can hear, the thunder is, yeah, like no, you're not doing the makeup outside. Before I actually put on shadow, I'm going to just set my shadow with some translucent powder. This so bad. That concealer, she's a little thick and sticky. Let's take a little fluffy brush and let's go into, how do I read these? Oh, it's called Utopia, which is just like this light beige. Are you beige? You look beige. Beige color. We're just gonna roll with it. It's a beige color. I'm going to use it as like a transition. I can say over the years I own a lot of Tarte, like whether it's the eyeshadow palettes, brushes. This is actually their blush palette. I've had for, I don't know, it came in probably a BoxyCharm or an Ipsy. I can say over the years, their shadows definitely have gotten better as long as it's Tarte. If it's Sugar Rush, for some reason, they still have like a really not so good formula. Maybe I'll call this like a chit chat get ready with me with the Tarte Custom Kit because this is turning into kind of like a chit chat get ready with me, which is completely okay. I miss creating videos. I really have. I just really haven't had the time or honestly like the mentality. It's been rough. It's exhausting pretending you're okay when you're not. enough about that. So yeah, I'm in the cabin. I am up here by myself. There shall be a vlog coming on, whatever. Now I'm gonna go into a smaller, do I have a smaller fluffy brush? Kind of a smaller fluffy brush. I'm gonna go into Botanical, which is like this darker beigey color. It's almost brown. This definitely is not smaller. So you need a smaller fluffy brush, and we're just going to deepen up that transition color and make that a nice defined crease. Is this have shimmer in it? No, but my brush did. Whoops. And kind of the same thing to the other way. And if you notice that you have too much space right there between like where your shadow is ending, like your transition shadow and your eyebrow, just blend up a little bit more with that transition shade, not the darker one. That would go bad. I just dipped into that transition shade and I'm just gently trying to bring that color up more towards my eyebrow. That way I could fill that space right, you know, there. We're gonna take, just because I want to actually see what it looks like. It's called Wildlife. It's this one on the end. And I'm just gonna put that all over my lid. I might have to use my finger. There's some brands that don't particularly work too well with brushes. Like, let me rephrase that. Like shimmers, I guess I should say. Like, there's certain brands in the shimmer shadows don't particularly work well with brushes. Like that, so I'm gonna use my finger just to see if I can get a better color payoff. And you can. Normally they smell like vanilla. And then it's new, so I don't want to say it's old, but even this still smells like vanilla. So, what'd you do to your scent? Did you take away the vanilla and this is what it normally smells like? Cause it stinks. I'm not gonna spend too much time because I'm gonna try and actually beat the rain. I don't know how that's gonna work. I do wish that brown was a little bit darker, just so, I don't know, it's more, I don't know. Anyway, I'm gonna take that shimmery, it's called Bliss, and this is gonna go on my brow bone. Most of the time I don't like a shimmer on my brow bone, but I want to do it. So I really was not liking it, so I took that, this damn lighting, Vibrant, which is this one right there, and I put that on top of that other shimmer shade, and then I took the Bliss, which is the one that we used for our brow bone, and I'm putting that in my inner corner, which probably shouldn't have done that quite yet, because I gotta do my face. Like, I want you guys zoomed in, but then like, it's like this, because my battery's gonna die. Really quickly, since my face is already primed, we're gonna try this shade. I just, like I said, I have the shade Light of this Skin Treat Skin Tint. So this is actually the really, really nice shade match. This lighting is terrible. Like, I can't really see if I'm blending it or, you know, we're rolling with it. But I really do like that skin tint foundation, whatever you want to call it. I really like the texture. It's a really creamy, moussey texture, and it's pleasant on the face. And I already knew I liked this concealer, but like I said, I had to get a lighter shade, which I think I did a good job on my brightness. I chose the correct shade for my concealer. That's what I'm trying to say. Okay, really quickly off camera, because the only other thing I have, honestly, is the lip, and maybe I will use this. But, so, I'm gonna catch you guys when the rest of my face is done. So, you probably, honestly, really can't tell much of a difference, because, I forgot contour. I'm gonna go in with that dark botanical color on like a flat shader brush, just to go, so the botanical shade on a flat like shader brush, just so I can go on my lower lash line. And I'm gonna pretty much bring that all the way to my inner corner. Same thing on the other eye. And if you can tell, I am rushing because I gotta get the fuck out of here. I'm gonna wipe that off, and I'm gonna go into that Bliss shade, which is like the one that we originally put on our inner corner, and just kind of fix our inner corner and bring that down on the lower lash line. And to be honest, I'm gonna call that a day. This Maracuja tint, lip tint, juicy lip. It smells okay. It's got a pretty shade. Oh no. Okay, I don't know what I did with the mascara. I literally just had it, so I'm gonna use this CoverGirl. This is a Lash Splash Clean. I don't know, I do like this. This works pretty well. It's like, what, $5, $7? I don't, drugstore price. I'm going to wrap this up because, like I said, I really gotta get out of here. Let me know what you guys think of the Tarte Custom Kit. Do you think it's a waste of money, or do you think it's a good value? Will you be getting it next year? Did you get one this year? Let me know down in the comments below. I love you guys. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch. Make sure you give the video a thumbs up because it does help me out tremendously. And if you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to my channel by clicking this link right here. And I don't know if it's going to be up yet, but my vlog for the cabin in the woods, or just any one of the videos if you just want to hang out a little bit longer. I love you guys. I will catch you in the next one. Bye!